Autotrophs are self-nourishing. Photosynthesis occurs in them. Heterotrophs feed on autotrophs and do not perform photosynthesis. Sunlight is the main source of energy in photosynthesis. CO2 and water are the reactants. They make glucose, oxygen, and more water. Light energy is converted to chemical in a process called photolysis. This is called the light-dependent reaction. It occurs in the thylakoid membrane. The dark reaction assembles sugars using ATP and NADPH. This takes place in the stroma. All of this occurs in the chloroplasts. In photosystem 2, electrons enter the electron transport chain. Hydrogen ions are pumped into the thylakoid membrane space. Hydrogen passes through the ATP synthase. Through chemiosmosis, ATP is formed. Now to photosystem 1. Light gets absorbed at a higher rate. The terminal electron reduces NAD+ to NADPH. When photosystem 1 forms NADPH, it is non-cyclic photophosphorylation. When it produces ATP, it is called cyclic photophosphorylation. In cyclic electron flow, electrons are excited. They pass through the electron transport system, return to photosystem 1. In non-cyclic, electrons go through two photosystems and electron transport systems simultaneously. In non-cyclic, electrons go through two photosystems and electron transport systems simultaneously. They are driven by ATP formation. The boosted electron moves through the first, ETS, and releases energy for ADP plus pi, which forms ATP during the first pathway. During the second pathway, the boosted electron passes to the second ETS and joins NADP to form NADPH. For the dark reaction, carbon fixation occurs, converting inorganic carbon to an organic form. In the Calvin cycle, Rubisco joins RUBP to form an unstable 6-carbon intermediate. The intermediate splits to form two molecules of PGAL. PGAL reduces to triose phosphate, which oxidizes NADPH and ATP in the process. But this reaction doesn't all end with glucose. Sucrose, starch, and cellulose are formed. These help the plant store food and strengthen the cell wall. Photosynthesis can occur once again.